I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and I want to show you how to use graphics in your live streams if in the event that you need to take a break, or you just want to show an image on the screen of something that you had created previous to starting your live stream. Now, these things can be very helpful. Let's say, for example, if you have to go to the bathroom, you can let people know that you're going to be right back by taking an organic break or have to pee break or something like that. And you can put this graphic right on the screen to let everybody know that you'll be right back. In this video, I'm going to start right now. Make sure you follow every single step though, because if you don't, it's not going to work out so well. And that's one of the biggest problems with the Atems is people not following the entire instructions, watching it step by step all the way through to the very end. Let's get right to it. So if you're watching this video, you already have an Atem Mini, Mini Pro, Mini Pro ISO, something like that. And if you like the way this camera is switching, you should check out this video right here, because I can show you how to do it automatically, hands-free. I'm actually recording this live. I'm not doing any cuts or anything like that, with the exception of when I need to move into a different scene. And sometimes I make a mistake and I have to start over. But the Atem Mini Pro is probably one of the best production studios in a very small box. I wish I could afford the new Atem Mini Pro Extreme ISO so that I could record all of my cameras at the same time and do this in post-edit. But right now I just have it on a timed auto. But this video is not about that. This video is about throwing graphics up on the screen so that you can take a break during a live stream or have other images shown during your recordings. Here we go. This is super exciting. Make sure you follow all the steps. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Atem Software control like you can see on the screen right now. And yours probably looks almost identical to this depending on which model of the Atem Mini that you have. The next thing you're going to do is go to the bottom here. You're going to click Media. And you can see I already have a number of graphics in here. And it's as simple as taking a graphic from your computer, wherever they are, and drag it and drop it. And that's literally all there is to that first step. The next thing you want to do is whichever one you want. I'm going to use this one. You're going to drag it over and you're simply going to put it in the untitled, or in the still section over here on the right. And now it's in position to be able to be used. Then we're going to go back over to the switcher. We're simply going to select MP1. MP1 stands for Media Player 1, which is where we put that file. We put it in the first media player, which is the one that's included in your Atem Mini Pro software. It can hold up to 20 pictures. So in order to make that photo show up, we are simply going to hit MP1. Now, if we want it to switch, we're just going to hit the cut or the auto button. And I'm going to switch back just to show you. So all I did was hit this cut button. And if you want it to fade in with a nice dissolve, use the auto button. There we go. We can see the slider even falling down. If you found this video helpful, I am hoping that you will watch this next video right over here, because YouTube says that's the one that you may want to see next. And this right here is the subscribe button, which I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And I would certainly appreciate your support in getting there. I'm Turbo the Tech.